Okay, everybody, we're getting ready to take a look at our Pamela model, our showcase beautiful Pamela. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the Pamela. The Pamela is a 4-bed, 3-bath, 3-car garage home. It's absolutely stunning, and it's located in beautiful Land of Lakes, Florida, in the Newland community of Bexley, which is a very, very popular community. Families love it here. Everybody loves it here because they have walking trails, parks, pools, everything you can imagine to really enjoy the Florida lifestyle. So we just came in through the front door and we're in this lovely foyer. And over here, we've got this little extra room here, which would be ideal maybe for a home office or something along those lines, kind of tucked away here right at the entrance. And then when you walk through the foyer, here's where the house is just absolutely stunning. If you like an open floor plan, you're gonna love the Pamela. Oh, do you like to cook? Well, guess what? This beautiful gourmet kitchen can be yours. Look at that island. My goodness. Again, totally open floor plan. Right here, we've got the gathering area that opens up to the lanai in the back. And then we've got the dining area. So totally open spaces here. As you come through the gathering area and the dining room area, you'll see we've added a game room to this particular model. Isn't this awesome? Large, tall ceilings here, lots of light, lots of natural light and windows. Right next to the game room, we've got one of the guest bathrooms, and then we've got a bedroom. Walking back again here through the dining room area, we're going to come over here and take a look at the other secondary bedrooms that we've got in here. Here's a bedroom right here. Nice big spacious secondary bedrooms. Spacious secondary bedroom right here. Again, lots of natural light in the Pamela. Fantastic Florida floor plan. Now as we walk across the dining room and the gathering room, there's that beautiful gourmet kitchen again. Goodness. Beautiful. Now we're making our way into the master suite. And over here, as we enter the master suite, very, very large master suite. Again, lots of natural light coming in here. Beautiful. And then we've got not one, but 2 spacious closets. This is the bigger one. This one would be mine for sure. And let's take a look at the bathroom. Everybody loves a beautiful master bath. Isn't that shower stunning? Absolutely stunning. So that is our gorgeous Pamela model. This is one of our most popular models, the Pamela. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 3-car garage. It is move-in ready. Just bring your toothbrush and the Pamela could be yours. For more information, contact ICI Homes.